Hello and good morning. Okay, my name is Bbi2423 G2. Number is 1733681 as a presenter 1. And with my fellow friend G2. Okay. Today we are going to present and discuss about wood. Okay. Before that, this is our outlines that which we will discuss about. And I as a presenter 1 will talk about the introduction of wood and the types of wood. Okay, and my second partner will talk about the uses of wood and conclusion and the references. Okay, introduction of wood. Okay, before that I want to ask you all, I want to ask what is the meaning of wood. Okay, as you know, we will know about the wood by furniture, right? Okay, but the important thing is we need to know the types and the example that used for the furniture, so that we can get the best quality for the furniture, and so that we will not get cheated by some company that produce furniture. Okay, this is the meaning of the wood, which is the hard fibrous material from the trunk, branches of a tree or shrub, and mostly it's used for fuel or timber and for furniture. And we know that furniture is the most thing that use wood. Okay, for next is types of wood. Okay, we have two types of wood, which is hardwood and softwood. Which is hardwood is angiosperm that produce flower, and the trees will have broad leaf. Softwood is a gymnosperm, which is the tree plant that will not produce flower, and the leaf will be the light leaf and have a cone shape of leaf. Okay, for hardwood, mostly in Malaysia we use hardwood to produce furniture and use for fuel. And softwood, we don't have much plants of softwood in Malaysia because about the condition and weather that's different for Malaysia. Okay, this is the example of softwood and hardwood that used for furniture, and this is the most expensive and the famous, which is the agarwood, which in Malaysia we call it gaharu. The agarwood is the strongest wood that can float and denser from the other woods here, and it's so expensive, and the furniture for this agarwood is really has high quality. Okay, for blackwood and mahogany is less the characteristic from agarwood. Okay, teak, we can find it in Borneo, and teak has its own characteristic that have a specialty in characteristic, and mostly teak will be found in Borneo, and mostly all people in there in Borneo side will use teak as their first furniture. Okay, softwood we have pine and spruce. Pine usually for paper, because pine is difficult to find in Malaysia. Okay, next I will pass to our second presenter, G2, that will talk about the uses of the wood.
Next, thank you to Sofatul, my friends. Next, I would like to continue the presentation about what is the uses of wood. Okay, as my friend mentioned before, there are two types of wood, which is hardwood and softwood. So for the softwood, mostly softwood used in making modified density fiber, paper, fences, and flooring. And the second, the hardwood is mostly used as making bridges, high quality furniture, for materials for construction, building component, and also flooring. This the example of the uses of wood. As you can see here, this is the pictures of fences and also the bridge and for homes. Next. And this is the wood used as flooring, which is this floor. As we are forestry student, we call this lumber, which is the lumber will be varnished or paint to avoid the lumber from damage. So because the lumber is contain a moisture content, which is moisture content is the percentage of water inside the wood. So if we don't varnish or paint the lumber, then maybe the woods will lose the water or gain the water that causes the wood swell and shrink, and it leads to the insect or other pests to destroy this lumber. Okay, next. This also the uses of wood in furniture, which is the cupboard, bed, for table, and also for chair. This is MDF, modified density fiber, which is not only from totally from the woods, but it's a combination from other waste such as sunflower waste, paddy waste, and many more. Next, molding. As we can see here, it's mostly molding used at the top or at the ceiling, at the top of a house, which is molding is woods that's already decorated. Okay. Next, this is also a particle board. It seems like the modified density fiber, MDF. And another uses of wood also, woods used in making musical instruments such as guitar, and also for paper. And paper and such as newspaper, A4 paper, and many more. Okay, next. This in a conclusion, there are two types of wood, which is hardwood and softwood. And as we can see, everything around us is come from woods. The table, the chair, the windows, the doors that we can see daily in our life. So I have provided quotes here, which is the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. Meaning that when the best time for us to plant tree is long time ago, because plant need more times to grow up, and the second best time is now, which is this quote asks us today to plant trees so that we can continuously have wood supply, so that in the future we will have sufficient woods, because we know that woods has many uses for human. So that's all from us. Thank you.